Welcome back to another Essence Motorsports video. We just finished up a full wrap on our first Lucid Air. The color was a gloss dark gray, and then we did matte charcoal metallic by 3M. With this being the first Lucid Air, the guys killed it. It turned out amazing. The guys have already filmed a bunch of content on it, so you guys will be seeing that, but this car's really nice. Compared to a Tesla, the interior's, you know, a little bit more upgraded, a little more luxurious, but I don't know, I really like this thing, so we hope you guys enjoy it. We also just finished up this full vinyl wrap on a 2023 Tesla Model 3. Of course, it's in 3M Satin Black. The guys did a killer job. We did 2 wraps this week with 2 guys, so we're pretty happy with how it came out. But Nico already filmed a bunch of content for it, so we're going to mash it up into the YouTube video, and we hope you guys enjoy it.
I could be strong, survive.